don't really know how to describe it. Kind of goes out at the outsides and in on the inside. So we'll have a go. So I've got another piece of paper, getting a bit smaller now, and there's a straight edges at right angles. What I'm going to do is I'll maybe measure. Let's go for. I'll do centimetres. So let's go for 3 centimetres. This is going to be quite a long bead. 3 centimetres. And then about 2/3 of the way down approximately, I'm going to measure 1.5 centimetres. So I'm going to draw a line at the 3 centimetre mark. And then I'm going to draw a line to the 1.5 centimetre mark from each point at the top. So I'll show you this in a second so you can understand what I've done. Like that. And we're going to cut along the edge. Get rid of the waste. Go like that. And then we're going to cut out the triangle. We're getting rid of the triangle, so we're going to end up with something like that. Okay, this is difficult to roll up. You'll see why, but it is worth it. So, a bit of glue to secure it. Take my skewer. Start to roll up nice and straight because we've got straight edges. Nice and tight. And this bit's easy. It's when we get to this bit it's a little bit more difficult. Just straight it up. So what I usually do, I think, I'll take it off at this point. I'm going to roll up one side and then roll up the other because it's just easier to do that. So ignore one side. I'm going for the right hand side at the moment. You've got to make sure that your edge is flat and it tapers in from the middle. And you keep going. And then when you get to the end you want a little bit of glue on there, as usual. Go. And then we'll roll up this one. Just the same but on the other side. A bit easier doing the last one. So you're keeping it straight to the edge.